What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Just doing to work here, and what I'm basically doing is that I'm going around the car to see if I can get the car a little bit more aligned when it's going on the track. And I'm using this little tool here, where is it? Right here, to basically do that. And I'm basically just turning out the control arms and those little turn knuckles there to get the car, or could I say the camber, because what I'm really working on is that if you look on the slick right here, you're gonna see that you're gonna have, you could say, tire scrub or rub. I would say tire scrub is that you can see where some parts are smooth and some parts are basically being used, which is the contact patch. So as you can see, there's some parts smooth, which is on the outer part here, but this one was on this side of the car, so that is why this one is good. So I'm trying to work on this side over here. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, I'm trying to work on the side over here where I can get, just put up about the thing right here, guys. Yeah, I'm working on the right side, so which is this slick over here, and you're going to be able to see the difference. As you can see, the contact patch is a little bit less on this one. Let's see if I can focus the camera. The contact patches are less on this one, so I'm just putting more positive camber on that side and go back out to test to see if that will work. Because if you don't make sure that the car is properly dialed in where that's concerned, you're gonna have more you could say lean to one side, or when you're making a pass, the car is going to want to travel to one side, I want straight passes, and that's what's going to help you to improve your times as well. So that's one thing I'm doing. I discovered that I'm not going to be turning up the motor anymore, but instead I'm going to be adding a new pinion gear, which is this one right here. And I won't be telling you guys what it is just yet. When I start doing more GNS pulls, I'm going to be telling you what gear I'm using exactly. This one is not really new to the channel, but I have used this one in a minute. But I realized watching previous videos that I do need to get more speed at the top end, and not just by turning up the ESC or turning up the timing on the remote, but actually adding another pinion gear. So that's what I'll be doing. Coming to the back here, I want to go ahead and work on the rear shocks, because I realize that the car can be a little bit more, you could say, stiff on the launch. It's hitting back, or you could say have a little backwards dip on the launch, and we want everything going forward. That again too I want to improve as well. But those are little improvements I want to make, guys, because as I said, little things do matter when it comes to drag racing. It's not all just about like big power and and turn up the cars and stuff like that. You want to make sure that you're getting traction and the car is going straight, and the car is happy and not really breaking stuff, because sometimes more power without proper dialing in where the chassis is concerned, when you're going to make you break things and not let the car last long, so to speak. And I've had this chassis for 2 years, so to speak, and it is almost 2 years, I can say, and it has done me some good justice. So if you're new to the channel, welcome again. Want to do another track day, but that's what I've basically picked up with this build. The last 2 times I've gone out and tested the car, I realized that I need more speed, which is mile per hour, and the pinion gear is going to give me that. And then I have to work on the whole alignment of camber and stuff like that. The camber at the back is basically 0. I don't have anything, I don't have a negative or any positive, just 0. And then at the front I think I have like -2, and that's all you need, because you want most of the contact patch for your slicks. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned, like, share, subscribe.